Hello friends, this is your girl Josy. I hope you're doing it well. Yeah, today is Friday, so you guys know what we're gonna do. My 100 envelope savings challenge. Super excited about this challenge. It's going. It is going. So today, let's just look what is going on. Let me push it here a little. So we done so far all these. Look at that. So cute. So cute. Super excited. So now we're going to do these two ones, 33 to 40. Yes, that's what we're going to do today. So let me go ahead, count the money, then we will go ahead and start it. I don't know how much money I have, but whatever I'm able to do up to 40, I leave the rest for next time. So 20, 40. So that's 40. Let me see. I hope you guys can see the money. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's another 40. So that's 80. Then we have 5. That's 85. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That makes 100. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $107. Let's see how much or how we're gonna do this. Like I said, we're going to do 33 to 40. So the way I do my 100 every savings, if you've been following me, you know how easy it is. I'm super excited. A lot of people are coming to check it out. If you are having 100 every savings challenge sitting at home, go grab it, dust it out, and let's do this together. Very, very simple, like I said. So today we are doing 33, which will be 3 plus 3, which is $6. So $6. So we won't put 33, we are putting $6. Then we have 3 plus 4, which is $7. So I'm just adding up. Then I have 3 plus 5, which is $8. So that's $8. Then I have 3 plus 6, which is $9. That's $9. Then we have 3 plus 7, which is $10. So this is $10. Then we have 3 plus 8, which is 11. So that's $11. And if you do this, like I said, you're going to finish it fast, do it multiple times. That's what I'm doing. So it's the same way for not being stressed, but you still save almost the same amount if you're doing it in the difficult way. Yes, that's what I realized, that like a little step is better than you jumping into it straight away. Then we have 3 plus 9, which is $12. 10, then 12. Okay. Then we have 40. At the normal circumstance, it's going to be 4 plus 0, which is $4. But no, I'm doing $40. My multiples of 10, I'm doing the same amount. I just want to see how big of a difference it will make if I have done 4 plus 0. I've been doing 4 plus 0, which will give me 4. I have done it like twice. I just want to see the amount difference. So today, this is how far we are. We are up to 40 right now. Every week I do 2 of them. And this is so cool. Then let me go ahead and check my thing. Then we will do the math and see. I see that I still have some money here. I'm going to keep that money for next one. Okay, so that's how far we are for the 100 Envelope Savings Challenge. Let's go. Oh, let's go ahead and do the math. Bring my calculator. So it's gonna be, we did 33 up to 40. So it's gonna be 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10.
Why do you have 2 phones?
So there was a distraction over here. My kids came into distraction. Let's do it one more time. So we have 6 plus 7 plus 8. Oh no, it's not even on. 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Then we have plus 10. Plus 11, plus 12, then plus 40. So $103, that's how much we put it in today. So as you can see, it's been a very step and gradually every month. It's been like simple journey, and we're going to still fill all these up for the next 2 months, because my goal is to get it done by the end of September. Then we will start another one before the year ends. So thank you for joining me today. Super grateful. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.